Hey everybody, I had this package a while from my good friend Ado. He sent it to me, and I can't wait to open it. I'm a weird person. I don't know what it is. When I buy stuff, I kind of have it set aside for a while, and then I mess with it and open it. I don't know why I'm like that. I've always been like that. Like I have an air filter over here that I got for the shop here, and it's been sitting here for probably 2 months, and I haven't opened it. I don't know, busy or, well, not really busy because I've been dying to open it, but I don't know. I'm just weird. I'm like that with everything. But anyway, shut up, Dave. We're gonna open this up and check it out. But it is the little Babu Frik, and he got it from Disney. As you know, I have that video out where I built a little one like this. Actually, I'm gonna go get it and show you. So here it is. Here's the one that I built a while ago, and I have a video out about it. It's the one that I did the real hair. I put the real hair on the guy. Yeah, I forget where I got this. I think it was a free Thingiverse thing. So I printed it out, but it's amazing how, like, this picture on the front was the picture that was on the STL file when I got it for free. So I don't know if somebody let it loose and put it out there for the folks, but now it is bigger. It is bigger a little bit. Everything's a little bit bigger, but it's fairly the same thing. There is a difference with this one, and that is there's supposed to be another foot here, another toe. So anyway, enough about this. I'm gonna open up this thing, and I'm gonna fire it up. Supposedly it talks to you and stuff. So let's check it out. He is so cool. So cool. You can see through the visor. All right. That is cool. So I pulled this apart because I thought it was pulled it apart because I thought it was those twist ties, and it's just the plastic things anyway. Gotta cut them. Oh well. No. You are free. Check him out. Whoa. Isn't that hilarious? He's out. He's out and about. He's released.
Hello, hey, Babu Frik.
Holy moly.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he's really cool. And the only thing that he doesn't come with is the torches and the tools. You know, but maybe I could, yeah, I could probably scale them up in 3D printer. But check this out. Whoa! It lights up. That is cool.
Hey!
So, he's nice and heavy. He's got the batteries in it. Yeah, this right here is the spot where the speaker is. The arms move around. The button is right there underneath his hood. It's like a rubbery hood. So is this. I thought you could move them around, but you can't. You can move this one around. Oh yeah, you can with that one too. It's just a little tighter. The feet move. You can sit them down, I guess. There is a there's an on-off switch right here in the back. I had to hit that. I had to push it down for it to fire up. So then there's his little pack. And oh, don't look under there. But very cool. Very cool.
Hey! Oh, boy. Hello, I'm Babu Frik.
Yeah, there's the on-off switch right there. There's a little button.
Hey!
Very cool, very cool. He is probably going to take over the spot where he was before with my C-3PO head. But it says Droidsmith for hire. Babu Frik can reprogram or modify almost any droid regardless of his security measures. Head movement, shoulder articulation, hip articulation, wrist articulation, mouth movement, real life sounds. Let's see, does it say how many? I thought that there would be like a, hey, this thing, it even says product may differ from image. But anyway, just wanted to show you that, and that's going to be it for this week on Whitey's Wicked Workshop. Peace!
Good. Remember, go black. Black. Hey! Yep, good is ready. Tango boutique na good no to then oh. Yes, Babu, todo. Hello, I'm Babu Frik.